Hi, this is Zapier template on automating your tweets and posting them to Instagram account using Orshot. So the workflow involves three steps. We will be using Typefully or Tweet Hunter to automatically retrieve the latest tweet, and I will show you the configuration for Typefully. So you can connect your account here, and then the trigger event would be draft published, and then in the configure step you can select either of these threads or tweets or all content, um, and in the test tab you will see that this is how the output or the test record would look like, and what we will be working with will be the Twitter URL here. So that's the first step. The second step is Orshot, which is what we are going to use to convert the tweet into an image. So you can add the Orshot step, and then you can connect your Orshot account using Orshot's API key, and then you can select the action event to be rendered from template. And in the configure tab, if you go, you will see a drop down here, and in that drop down you can select tweet image, and it will show up all these settings that is associated with the template. One of the setting would be like the tweet URL. So what we will do is basically we will select the tweet URL that is coming from the first tab, which is Typefully, and if you put the slash, you will see all the parameters that are coming from Typefully, and we will just select the tweet URL or Twitter URL, and then you can use the rest of the options to customize the look and feel of the tweet. So I can change the font size, the background color, the text color. I can also choose to like hide or show metrics and things like that, and I can select the background color and customize the padding. And in the last two options you can select the response type as URL and the response format as PNG, and once done you can click on continue, and in the test step you will see a test record which will be coming out from Orshot. So it will basically give you I will just click on continue. Okay, the test was skipped. Yes, cool. Yeah, I will just say continue. And in the last step, we will be using the Instagram for Business app to finally post the image that is coming from Orshot to Instagram. So once you add the action, you can connect your account here using the button here, and the action event would be publish photo or photos. And in the configure tab you can select the account where you want to post that image in Instagram, and then in the media what you can do is you can click on this, and when you put a slash you will see this. In the second step we will have like the output from the Orshot, and the output that is coming that will be coming from Orshot would be data content, and we will select the data content, and it will basically be the URL of the image of the tweet. So yeah, it will be a PNG file which we will be using here in the media, and then you can customize the caption. It can be your tweet text, or other like you can write a custom caption as well. You can select the location if you want, and you can click on continue, and that's it. So what it will do is basically uh, get your tweet. Whenever you make a tweet, it will get your tweet and then convert it into the image in the second step here. And once it has the image, then it will post on Instagram in the third step. So that's how you can automate your tweet to be posted on Instagram.